what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you.
Who's that boy? Say good morning, everybody. Oh, no? You don't want to say good morning? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you brushing your teeth? No, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay? Show them how you brush your teeth. Show them. So I just got him ready because I would want to go to the mall to see if I can find him some shirts and some shorts, because he is just growing out of all of his clothes so fast. So let me turn this around. So yeah, guys, that is the plan that I have for right now. So I just changed and then I got him ready, and then so we are going to be going real quick. I don't think I'm going to take too long, but I just want to see if I find him some more shirts and shorts and stuff like that, because he's just growing out of his clothes so fast, and yeah, he needs some new clothes. So I will take you guys with us, and yeah, I will see you guys right now in a bit. So before we go, guys, I am going to be just going downstairs to give my son some breakfast so he can eat something before we do head out, and then we are going to be going. And look at this guy. What are you doing? What are you doing, silly baby? Can you say hi? Can you give him a kiss? Dominic? Dominic, can you give him a kiss? Un besito. Un besito. Un besito. Can you throw them a kiss? Please? 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 Un besito, mami. Okay. Give mommy a besito then. Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you. Otro besito. Otro besito, mami. Oh, I love you so much. I love you so much. Un besito. Oh, thank you. Oh, you're the cutest little baby. Alright, guys, so we'll see you guys right now in a bit. Did you lock mommy in? No? Why are you so silly? Deco, 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 deco. Are you ready to go? Can you tell them good morning? No? Why? No? Why are you a little crazy baby, huh? I'm gonna just show you guys how he goes down the stairs, because he's getting too heavy for me to hold him. Hold on, baby. You gotta wait for mommy. Remember? You give mommy your hand, okay? Wait. Hold on. Okay, 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, 5. Come on. 5. 1 step. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yay! Okay, there's 2 more. 1 and 2. Good job. Hey, what are you eating? Strawberries. Wow. Are they yummy? Huh, Dominic? Are they yummy? Yeah, baby? Yeah, eat your breakfast, okay? And then we're gonna go. Okay. So we just got here to the mall and I just put my son in his stroller. Hey! Say hi, baby. Say hi. You guys, I think he's getting so big for this stroller. Like, look at his feet. Are you getting too big for the stroller? No? Okay. Say, let's go shopping. Alright guys, let's go and see what we find here at the mall. Baby, Dominic, who's that? Who's that? Is that Spider-Man? Yeah? Oh, that's another Spider-Man. Yeah, Spider-Man. What? Oh, you're looking at these up here? Which one? This one? Who's this? Who's that? Wow. You want to get one? You want to get one, baby? But we gotta find you some clothes first, okay? And then we'll get you a toy, okay? So I hadn't been in JCPenney in like a long time, and it looks like they moved everything. Like all of the kids stuff is now like in the first floor, and they have like the home stuff in the third floor. That used to be the children's department, and I just don't like how they changed it. Yeah, look, they have a lot of costumes now, baby. Look, a lot of costumes. Look. Oh, you see Woody, huh? He likes Woody and Buzz Lightyear and all of them. Oh, you want? Okay, let's leave this one here. Okay. Now you want Woody? Oh wow, he's too big for you, baby. Oh. Wait, baby. That's a big toy. Hold on. Who's that? Is that Woody? Yeah, that's Woody. And look, they have a little costume for Halloween. No, 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 no. You can't give too many. Look, you're making a mess. You want a Woody? Yeah. Who's that, baby? Look. Look at this one. Who's that? Is that Buzz? Buzz Lightyear? You like that one? Oh, you're saying Pikachu. He's saying Pika, Pika, because he sees Pikachu. He's over here. You are so smart, baby. Is that Buzz Lightyear, baby? Can you show them? Show them Buzz Lightyear. Oh, so cuddly. Baby. Un besito a Buzz. Oh, you're so sweet. Hey. Look, you have your stroller all. Say hi, baby. Came to my favorite place. Ooh, it's so freaking hot. Whoops, my camera moved. But we just got out of the mall, and we are gonna be heading home. Oh, it's so hot. Gotta turn on the AC. But yeah, guys, so we just finished. I didn't record much because I, was pushing my son, the stroller, and just was looking to see if I find, like some clothes for him. And I did find some, which is more for like the cold weather, but it's okay. He will eventually wear them anyways, but we'll see if they fit, once I try them on him. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got. I got some stuff for him, and that's pretty much it. Dominic, are you home now, baby? Look. Tell them you're home. Say we're home now. Say we're home. Dominic, come here. Your toilet is over here.
Shit right here, bud. Right
Come
where we
here.
can see you. Right in the kitchen. Take a shit in the kitchen, bud.
We have his little toilet right here.
Right there. I want to smell that little turd. Come on, bud. Come on, bud.
Tell your daddy, don't be nasty.
Don't squeeze those cheeks, bud. Come on. Let loose.
Poor little baby.
Sit down.
Hey, sit down,
Why
baby.
you walking like that, bud?
Oh, baby, let's check. Look. So when we were at the chocolate factory, the girl, he was saying hi to her, and then she gave him, I don't know, a little, what is it? Oh, look, it's like a little ice cream. Hold on, it's not focused. It's like a little ice cream thing. Look.
Here, bud. Here, bud.
It's so cute. Look. But what is it? Chocolate and I guess.
I don't know. Why don't
Look.
you try it?
Here, baby. This is yours. They gave it to you. You want some? Look, it's cute, huh? The girl gave it to you because you were saying hi. So here's my little baby watching his videos, huh, baby? You're watching your videos, huh? And I'm about to eat. I'm so hungry. And so my mom made nopales with some meat. And I am warming up some tortillas for me. And with some beans. It's gonna be so good. And my husband is actually already home. He is just taking his shower right now. So once he comes down, we're gonna have lunch. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my son to sleep because he actually hasn't slept today, and he actually woke up like at 7. So I know that he is tired, and he just actually finished eating. So here is my plate with the nopales, and the chile is so good, and some beans. Time for this baby to go to sleep. Say good night. Say good night, everybody. I love you, bebes.